Are you not tired of feeling tired, achy, and sluggish? Do you struggle with chronic pain, digestive issues, or skin problems? You may be experiencing the effects of chronic inflammation. The good news is that you can take control of inflammation through your diet. In this guide, we'll explore the connection between food, inflammation, and health, and provide you with practical tips and delicious recipes to help you eat your way to better health. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury, infection, or damage. It's a defense mechanism that helps the body heal and protect itself. However, chronic inflammation can lead to various health issues, including arthritis, diabetes, heart disease, cancer, Alzheimer's disease. Some foods can trigger or worsen inflammation. These include processed meats, e.g. hot dogs, sausages, refined sugars, dairy products, especially for those with lactose intolerance or dairy allergies, gluten for those with celiac disease, or gluten sensitivity, fried foods, foods high in advanced glycation and aged products, for example, charred foods. On the other hand, some foods have potent anti-inflammatory effects. These include fatty fish, for example, salmon, sardines, leafy greens, for example, spinach, kale, nuts and seeds, for example, walnuts, chia seeds, fruits, for example, berries, pomegranates, olive oil, whole grains, for example, brown rice, quinoa, legumes, for example, lentils, chickpeas, herbs and spices, for example, turmeric, ginger. Here are tips to try fit to your lifestyle. Tip 1. Spice up your life. Add turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon to your meals for an anti-inflammatory boost. Tip 2. Eat the rainbow. Consume colorful fruits and veggies to get a range of antioxidants. Tip 3. Ferment your whey. Incorporate kimchi, sauerkraut, and yogurt into your diet for gut health. Tip 4. Go with the omega flow. Eat fatty fish, nuts, and seeds rich in omega-3s to reduce inflammation. Tip 5. Drink to your health. Choose green tea, turmeric latte, and ginger tea for anti-inflammatory benefits. Tip 6. Get your fiber on. Focus on legumes, whole grains, and fruits to support gut health. Eating to beat inflammation is a powerful way to take control of your health. By incorporating anti-inflammatory foods into your diet and limiting pro-inflammatory foods, you can reduce chronic inflammation and promote overall health and well-being. Remember, it's not about making drastic changes overnight, but about making sustainable, long-term changes that nourish your body and soul. Share your favorite anti-inflammatory recipes in the comments below. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this information helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and advice. Stay healthy, stay happy.